small announcement to commence our business here in Kigali. This ceremony is for that, and we'd like to start it with the traditional way of opening the champagne, and have a small cake cut, and then we can all try and eat it. We'd like you all to come together, be with us when we pop the champagne and cut the cake. Please come and join us. Cheers to 𝐎𝐩𝐞𝐬𝐡.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
𝐎𝐩𝐞𝐬𝐡 and the Opesh Group.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
The company in Rwanda. Can you explain about the group?
Yeah, we just launched a company in the FMCG sector in Rwanda by the name of 𝐕OMA International Limited, and this company by my clients, Mr. Balaji Rajgopalan. I think he can explain about his company and about themselves very well, and as well as with Mr. Balaji, Mr. Vikas Singh, the owner of Stark Industries, Mr. 𝐕𝐻𝐴. He is the real estate business tycoon in India and working many real estate projects, and he joined hands in this project with the 𝐕OMA group. So I think Mr. Balaji can explain better.
Can you explain us about the group?
I would start by introducing our association for 𝐕OMA International to become a reality. 2 years ago, I started my African vision with my company in training. I set it up through Mr. Opesh Singh's consultancy firm. That's when I shared my vision to be in Africa with him, and eventually to start manufacturing products in which we have expertise. That vision is actually coming to fruitfulness today, and today we are launching our FMCG manufacturing company here in Rwanda, and it is a $5 million investment in the first phase, and expected to go up to $15 million. Yes, $15 million in the next 3 to 4 phases. And we intend to, I would also like to introduce my co-founders in 𝐕OMA International, Mr. Vikas Singh and Mr. 𝐕𝐻𝐴. I am passing the tires to them. They continue from wherever.
I am Vikas. I am owner of Stark Industries and also co-founder of 𝐕OMA International. And mostly thing my brother told you everything. We have set up here a FMCG product factory, and we see also another opportunities here. And there my partner Mr. 𝐕𝐻𝐴.
Hi, my name is 𝐕𝐻𝐴. I am into a real estate business in India, in affordable housing. I am also co-founder in 𝐕OMA International. We have came together here, not only in manufacturing units, we are planning to expand it beyond manufacturing. We are planning to go into affordable housing in Rwanda also.
When will you start?
Sorry,
When will you start?
we're planning in phase 3rd or phase 4th. We are planning phase by phase. Now it's the first phase. As Mr. Balaji told you, it's an investment of $5 million. We are expanding in phase by phase. In the next phase, we will be expanding our unit. In 3rd or 4th phase, we are looking to go into affordable housing through 𝐕MA International.
Thank you.
So I hold my Mr.
You have talked a lot about the 𝐕MA International Fund. I want to really know more about the 𝐕MA International Fund.
𝐕MA International is one of the company, as our friend already informed, is a FMCG sector company. And 𝐕MA International has just started with $5 million first phase investment and going to $15 million. And they have planned by the group to go to affordable housing. They are going to up to the affordable housing programs in Rwanda.
Well, if there is a business, Rwanda.
Yeah, definitely. Because as a business coach and consultant, and I am traveling a lot of countries, I help a lot of people to start their business, especially in Africa. And today I have one of my guests. He comes especially today to invest in Africa in the sector of mining and as well as pharmaceutical sector. And by the professional, Mr. Ankur. His name is Dr. Ankur Partner. He's a doctor. And today he comes to start some sort of investment here. And our some delegations also coming next week. So it's better to listen from Mr. Ankur.
Yeah.
We helped him to start his company in Ivory Coast before 2 years. And now he's expanding his business. And that's why he come to Singapore of Africa. So listen from Mr. Ankur.
Yeah, they are going to proceed, right?
Okay, it's okay. Starting, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Opesh. First of all, I will congratulate him to our new venture, and as he helped not only me and a lot of people of the Indian, he has a great heart to helping of the Indian people and as well as the African people also. So we are going to expand our business here also in Rwanda. We are going to invest in the mining sector, and as a doctor, as I feel from the 2 years that Africa needs a good infrastructure for the health sector also. We have a good chain of hospitals in India, so we are planning to invest in the health sector also for the Rwanda people. So it is very good, and he is doing a very humble job for the African person, and as well as for the other. I would like to say to my Indian brothers also, they should see and they should come, and more they should invest in the Africa, because African government is helping a lot, African people are helping a lot to us. So all world should be like Mr. He came from the Scotland. He is also doing a very good humble work. So we should make our venture very strong, and we are ready for this. Thank you very much.
Before we end,
Yeah, and what say?
I am going to ask Mr. Opesh Singh. Good evening. Yeah. If someone all wants to assist our audience in your clients.
We have clients with different sectors, mining to infrastructure, manufacturing, trading, because India is a big country, and a lot of Indian investors, they are seeking good market. And as I said, that Rwanda policies are very good. This is a safe country, secure country. Even I drive myself from from Kigali to Gisenyi, Karongi, everywhere, and I don't feel any problem. And I enjoy. All roads are good, infrastructure is better. What an investor need? He need a good country where his investment is safe, good policies, where his investment growing well, and once he earned also, he helped to community and create the job. And for helping communities, as we already informed you, with the children of Rwanda, we have an agreement today for next phase. And investment is not a problem. What I see that people, they want to come to better market, because this is the time of competition. And I have clients not from India, I have clients from 40 countries. And I have office in Greece, Canada, Cyprus, as well as 10 countries in Africa. And our motive to anyhow, we want to make a better Africa, because Africa is my second.
Cuando they say Rwanda is the heart of the nation,
Yes.
and we call it Singapore.
Singapore of Africa, because infrastructure is good, safety security is good, and the people is very nice and humble. As I said, I drive all country, nobody stop me. And people is automatically controlled because your policy is very good. That's why you are growing well, because when you see your neighbor countries, it is not, according to me, that much safe that Rwanda is.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.